What up people, Stinson here. Welcome to my channel Code with Stinson. So in the previous video we were discussing about HTML tables. So how to include an HTML table in the HTML document or in your CB website. So in the previous video we discussed how to align this profile photo next to this data by using HTML table. So let us implement the same HTML table using this skill section. Okay, so let us implement skill section using HTML table. So consider this, whatever highlighted in blue, imagine that there is nothing here. Okay, so just consider this as the table. Okay, so this is one table. Okay, so whatever it is highlighted in blue, just ignore that for time being. Okay, so let us focus on here. So if you see here, even this is also a table. Okay, this is also HTML table, so you can create this. So let us do that. This is HTML table. Okay, so this is HTML table. Now one normal HTML table similar to academics. Okay, so this is very easy to implement. So if you consider this one which is highlighted in blue color, so this one is next to this table. Okay, this table is next to this table. So how it is done in HTML? By using nesting of HTML table element, we can implement this. Why do we do this? Because if I don't do nesting, these Python, Swift, CSS, JavaScript, DBMS and all will be included here only. So if I do that, the scrolling will be more. Okay, I need to scroll more because the content length is too large. I have to scroll more, so it is very tedious process to scroll for the user. So this and all comes under user interface design. Okay, so you should think before what you design for your website. It should be easy and very reactive and very responsible responsive website. So nesting of table consumes less space, as well as it less scrolling is required. See, only two scrolls, the website content is completed. If I don't include the nesting of tables, I need three scrolls to do that. So because the length of the skill table will be more, so that's why we are using nesting of tables. And how to do nesting of tables, I'll show you that. So open Atom. Okay, open Atom. Here we have skills. Okay, I'll try to implement the same. See, I'll show you what I explained now. I'll simply copy paste this dummy contents into the skills. Let us see how our website will be. See here, see, 1 2 3 scrolls is required because the length of the content is more. Here this much. Look at the length of this website and look at the length of this website. It's more, right? Yeah, it's more. So this consumes a lot of space, and next to this it is very blank, which is very boring. So nesting, if we do nesting of tables, we can save space as well as we can utilize the blank space. So that's why we can use nesting of tables in HTML. So let me undo this one for very quick. Okay, so this is it. Okay, how to do nesting of table? Let me show you. Create a table first. Table, blank space table. Okay, so in this blank space table, the blank table, let me create one row, tr. Okay, in that I have td, two data cells. Okay, and let me create one more td. Okay, in the first td, let me create the same, let me copy paste this table in the first td. In the second td also, let me copy paste the same symbol. Okay, now instead of core Java, I'll say DSA, and instead of advanced Java, I'll say SQL. Instead of Python, instead of Python, I'll say HTML. Instead of C, I'll say JavaScript. So you can include your skills. So let me refresh that one. Here you can see, okay, here question mark and slash D is let me see that TD. Oh, yeah. See here you can see that I have used nesting of tables, so it consumes less space as well as it is very neat. Okay, if I don't use nesting, that scrolling and wastage of space occurs, so that's why nesting of HTML element is done. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.